Hello, it's Dave again. We're going to talk today about one of Groundsman's latest innovations, the Castor wheel attachment. This is both for a 345 and for the larger 460. It makes turning so simple. So you put the bracketry on your D-bar on the front of your existing machine and then locate the Castor wheel, slide it the whole way back and tighten the locating nuts at the top. Machine is now on its standard 4 wheels. At this point, this wheel completely off the ground. You can adjust the height very simply by winding up or winding down, but what you want to try and find is the wheel clear in this drive position when it's aerating and clear of the ground then. So starting up your machine, machine is now aerating. Come to the edge of your green, take it out of work, and now you can simply turn the machine simply on 3 wheels round like that, relocate in the opposite direction and put it back into work again, the wheel being completely clear. Turning job made really simple by Groundsman.